What's her name, Maxon?
Wawa. Daddy. Why?
What is Daddy doing?
Baby.
Sleeping.
Habib. Uh-oh.
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 Okay, let me pick her up. Let me pick her up for you.
No.
Let me pick her up for you.
No.
Maxon, boy.
This is being taped.
Down.
She's falling down.
Die.
Are you gonna give her a kiss? Do you love your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah? A lot?
Yeah.
How much? Okay.
He's afraid to let go.
No. You ready for her to get up?
No.
Okay, sit up. You sit up. Don't squeeze. Don't.
Poor baby.
You got in a chokehold.
Where are her parents?
Come here, girl.
No.
Okay, besito for Maxton.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.